What does the urine color tells about a person's health? Many people are not aware of it and some even take it for granted. It is one of those things that you or your doctor may never tell you. The fact is, you can see the telltale signs from the very first glance at the stains on the toilet paper or from the occasional glimpse of the whites on the toilet tissue. But what does the urine color actually indicate? If you have ever looked at someone's urine to identify it as theirs, then you already know the answer to this question. You will notice that one type of colored urine will tell you that it comes from the bladder. This is the kind you might have to go to the doctor to obtain. The other variety, which is often seen in children, is one that has an almost colorless quality. So, now we know what does the urine color tells about a person. What does it mean? A urine test can be used as a diagnostic tool when doctors want to know more about certain conditions. They may be able to find out if you have kidney stones, for example, or they may be able to find out about any underlying issues with your kidneys. Some patients have been known to lie about their symptoms just so they can get more of a medication prescription. This is one reason why a urine test is usually done to find out what is really going on. The color test can tell you whether or not you are suffering from a urinary tract infection. It can also tell you if there is an obstruction or not. When you are looking into various medications, you may also find out if you are allergic to a particular medicine. There are some other reasons why you would be interested in what the urine color tells about a person. Many people who are looking for employment have a need for references. If you are applying for a job, it is important to make sure that you have some real proof of your experience and skills. One of the ways to do this is to go through an interview. During the interview, many things will be asked that will give potential employers an idea about your personality and how you will work with others. Sometimes there are questions that are more personal than just about someone's work history or education. For example, if you are dating someone and they ask you questions about your sexual preferences, how many children do you want, and other such questions. A sample of your urine might tell someone if you are actually gay or not. A sample of your urine can even tell you if you have had sex before with other people. If you drink a lot or you use drugs, you should definitely throw those things out of your life and look for someone who is straight who wants to get married to you. It has always been said that the color of urine can either tell you a lot or tell you nothing about a person. As we have mentioned above, it is possible to know a lot about a person when checking out the urine samples. You will be able to see any signs of sexually transmitted diseases or kidney problems. Also, it can help you decide whether a person is a smoker or not. People who smoke usually have black urine. You should also be able to tell if someone is diabetic by looking at their urine. Finally, people who have red or other colors in their urine will more than likely have the same type of toothpaste in their mouth. If you have any questions about what does the urine color tells about a person, you should ask someone who is qualified to answer it for you. Be sure to do some research before trying to use this method, as it could easily be dangerous.